My friend, can you make Strudla sa Makom? No, but my wife can. Here. Zorane, idiote! Sorry, let me show you how to make Strudla sa Makom, also known as gužvara, also known as makovnjača. First, you need 350 milliliters warm milk. Add 3 flat tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 pack of yeast and mix. Now leave to bubble. 500 grams of flour. Add a pinch of salt. Grate half of the lemon skin. Now add 200 grams of must or butter. 2 eggs. Opa. And now the milk mixture. Mix. The dough is ready. It should be nice and elastic. Now leave it to rise. Now let's make the filling. 400 grams ground poppy seeds, 200 grams sugar, 1 cup of hot milk. Mix. Put it aside to cool down. Let's check the dough. Oh ho ho! Cut in half, and we're gonna make a rectangle like this. Rolling pin and push. Now put the mark. Now don't spread all the way to the edge, leave 1 inch. Roll. Tuck in the ends, okay? I push down and put it in like that. Now grab and onto the baking tray. Now leave to rise for 30 more minutes. After 30 minutes, oh ho ho, 2 egg yolks. Glaze the strudel. Look at that. 180 degrees, 35-40 minutes. Opa. Oh ho ho. And strudla is ready. That is strudla.
Kakav porsli, bre!